How to contact customer support from the website in Hertz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to submit a question to our support team page. Here you'll find all these options pop up. Now, what you need to do is add your first name and then your last name. After that, add your email address and then phone number. Then choose one of the question you want to ask. You'll find quick answer at the bottom as well. If your problem is not solved, you can add other informations, that is your car rental number, reservation number, file reference number, and then add feedback at the bottom and submit it. And this is how to contact customer support from the website in Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.